Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Google account you want as the primary library. This ensures photos go to the right place. Once signed in, open Google Photos on your phone or install backup and sync on your computer. Make sure to grant storage and media permissions so the app can access files. After that, pick the folders or albums to backup and set upload quality, then tap Backup Now to start the initial transfer. Next, you configure the detailed options that control ongoing syncing. Choose Original for full resolution or Storage Saver to conserve GB. Remember, Original uses Google Storage. Once chosen, add the exact folders, SD cards, or external drives you want included, and deselect others to avoid duplicates. Make sure to set cellular upload preferences and whether uploads wait for charging or Wi-Fi. When you finish, the app will monitor those sources and upload new items. To complete the process, confirm the sync status in Google Photos and review the recent uploads view to ensure everything transferred. If files show as failed, tap Retry. If duplicates appear, disable competing backups and clean up cached copies. Make sure your app is updated and your device has consistent connectivity. If syncing still fails, sign out and back in, reinstall the app, or free up Google storage. These steps resolve most stuck or partial backup issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.